Elemis sent me some goodies, and these are one of my favorites. Okay, so as I've gotten older, the texture of my skin is starting to change, and not for the better. So these really help with your texture and also help with some wrinkles, which I'll take. So they're these little pads, and they have two sides to them. One is a little bit bumpier than the other. They are damp, and all you do is wipe them on your face. You can use them every single day after you cleanse, and they help with redness. They help slough off any dry skin. And most people report that within 4 weeks of using them daily, their skin looks better. But watch what happens after just one use. So you guys remember what my skin looked like before we started using it? You'll see just immediately the after results. Your skin just looks better immediately after, I think. So I'm using it all over. I'm not really pressing that hard, and it's not like scrubbing, it's not abrasive, nothing like that. It's very, very gentle. You can use this all the way down your face, your neck. I always go all the way down. I like that it also just picks up any dirt or makeup. You'll see when you look at it, you'll notice any sort of dirt that may be left over on your skin or any makeup. And then that is all you have to do. So now afterwards, the more I use it, the better my texture is gonna look. If you have large pores, it's gonna help with that. If you have blackheads, it's gonna help with that. These are absolutely amazing. You get a whole bunch of pads, and when you pull them out, just make sure you're only getting one at a time, because sometimes they stick together. So make sure you just get one, because you don't want to waste any of them. They're that good. You're gonna love them.